Hello friends, in this video we are going to add WordPress chat. WhatsApp chat we are going to integrate in the WordPress website. So let's start. So we are using the WP chat app. So you need to just copy this and install the plugin in the plugin sections. Go to the plugin and add new that plugin. Here you can just search with the plugin name and here you can check. Just install this plugin, right? And go to the WhatsApp chat, all accounts. Here we have the one account right now, and if you go to the settings, we have to do the settings. We have to enable this after add to cart button or before add to cart button. Button position they are asking. Search select accounts, hello users, right? And after long add to cart button we are going to add save changes. WhatsApp web URL, save changes, and they have the all accounts, they have the widgets. So I'm going to add this widget right now. So go to my pages, all pages. Here I'm going to add about us section. We are going to add a new page. Add new page. WhatsApp. I'm gonna paste this and we will check this is coming or not. This is coming. Need help? Chat with us. Here and continue with chat. It will if we click on the continue with chat, it will open my web account. I use WhatsApp and see my web WhatsApp is opening. So this is how you can chat and it will redirect to my link and it will opening and it will go to my account chat and it will open, right? Okay, so this is how you can add the chat, WhatsApp chat in your WordPress website. Let's go to the visit store. We have the shop, right? On the shop page, before add to cart, on the product detail page we have added. So here is also it is added, right? So this is how you can integrate the WhatsApp chat into your WordPress website or the WooCommerce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.